Hi everybody, it's Michelle again from the Villa Park Public Library, and today I'm going to talk about cooking a chicken schnitzel dish. So I'm using this cookbook. My son and daughter-in-law gave it to me for Christmas. Ottolenghi Simple. It's by Yodam Ottolenghi. This book is on Libby. However, if you go to Libby and it is checked out, but whenever you go there, he also has cookbooks, different titles, but cookbooks by him on Access 360 and on Hoopla both. So as I said, I'm going to be making a chicken schnitzel. Here's the picture of it. This is a beautiful cookbook. It's got lots of pictures. There we go. Can you see it? So that's what it looks like. It's called Seeded Chicken Schnitzel. So get that set up on there. Let's go here. Okay, so as you can see, I have get this adjusted. I have my chicken here. They're chicken tenders, and I've already rolled them and flattened them out. They should be about 1/4 of an inch thick, 1/2 inch to 1/4 inch thick. So first thing I'm going to do is I have in here, there is 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour. There is 1/4 cup of salt, and I use natural sea salt, and then some freshly ground pepper. And this is going to get mixed up. You're going to dredge your chicken in there. Okay, step one. Let's set this over here. Secondly, I have 2 eggs that I'm going to crack in a bowl. Okay, 2 eggs. And those are going to get beat up. Okay, that's done. This is supposed to be a super simple recipe, and so far so good. So now I have my bowl here in a 1/3 bowl, so I have, hopefully, you can see it all. I have, let me see, how much do I have? 1 cup and a 1/3 of panko crumbs. I didn't have sesame seeds, and I wasn't going to the store to get them, so I Googled to see what a good substitute was, and poppy seeds are, so that's what I used is poppy seeds. And so there are 6 tablespoons of poppy seeds, a tablespoon and a half of coriander seeds, and they're roughly crushed. I just put them in a bowl and crushed them with a glass because for whatever reason, I don't have a porter and pestle, or pestle and mortar. I can't even talk. And then also there is a teaspoon of ground turmeric and a 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And then to this bowl also there are some sunflower seeds. There is, it's 4.5 tablespoons, and it says roughly chopped. There we go. So that's roughly chopped, and I'm going to dump that in too. And then mix this all up. Now this breadcrumb mixture, you could mix up quite a bit of it because you can also use it for chicken. You could use it to fry some eggplant. So it has many uses. You just don't have to, I'm sorry, did I say chicken again? I'm sorry. I meant you can use it to fry fish. And it smells really good because the coriander. So you can mix this up, and then you can put it in an airtight container, and that should keep for you for, I don't know, a month or so. So here we have this. So now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to get my everything in order here. Okay, so the chicken is going to be dredged in the flour, then dipped into the eggs, and then put into the breadcrumbs. So, let's switch places here. So I've got my chicken here, and I'm just dredging it in the flour, so it's covered in the flour. Shake it off, and then into the eggs. Shake it off, and then into my full of seeds, and here we have it. So that's all going to be done. I don't know if you heard that ding, but I just got an email from Jenny's Ice Cream, my favorite ice cream ever. Okay, so that's done. Here's what they look like, all breaded. And next I am going to fry them. Okay, so I've moved over to getting ready to cook these. The recipe calls for sesame oil. Again, I don't have sesame oil, so I'm going to be using avocado oil. Avocado oil has a neutral flavor. It has a high smoke point. You can take it all the way up to like 500 degrees before it starts burning, so it's a good oil to use. And it's not going to add a lot of extra flavor to, it's just a plain flavorless, so you can, the flavor of what you're frying will come out. I am going to be using, my cast iron skillet. I already have the oil in there. It's already been heating up. I love my cast iron skillet. They were my great-grandmother's, and I grew up using them, and I've always used cast iron, and it really gives a nice, even cook. So here's what we're going to do. So I've got my, I'll just get this started and just drop them in. Nice sizzle. So I've got these in. Let me just take this so you can see. Oh, there we go. So that's what they look like in the pan. So they cook about 5 or 6 minutes. Says to flip them over after 2.5. So I'm not going to make you guys sit here, so I'll just periodically check back, and I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so I'm back, and I just flipped over the first ones that I have in there. You'll see they've got a really nice color. They're sizzling along, so I cooked them on one side for 2.5 minutes, and I flipped them over and I cooked them this other side. So once the whole plate is done, I'll come back and I'll show you the whole plate, and they look really good. They smell amazing. That coriander is really just, the whole bout is coming through. So I'll see you in a minute. Okay, everyone, I'm back with the final product. It's right here. Looks pretty good. As you can see, I garnished it with lemon slices, lemon wedges. That's it. Seeded chicken schnitzel. It was super easy, and as I said, you can make that breading. You can, keep it for other things that you want to use it for. But yeah, it was super easy, and it smells great. So until next time, stay safe and healthy. Bye.